Today we're actually going to be doing a tutorial, and this isn't actually a game. This is actually a programming software that I've been learning in class for a bit, and well, I've used an older version. It's like 2013, yeah, on a Sunday, and this is just an old version because I don't really know how to use the newer versions, and honestly, I just learned about this one a while ago, or not that long ago, but either way. We are going to make a hello world tutorial. So like you run the program and you click the button and it says hello world. Something really simple. Barely anything. I'll also show you how to make an exit button. So if you want to close the program except for pressing the X. Yeah. So first we are going to go create project. Discard. I was working on one earlier. And we want to do a Windows Forms application. Okay, so yeah, this is our little. Here, I'm gonna. This is our little thing. It's like you can see how there's the close and all that, and yeah, really simple. So pretty much what we're gonna do is first of all, that's just that name. This is not actually that. You go down to text. Form 1, I will make it say hello world exclamation, and boom, hello world. That's our new title. That's the title for the application now. Now I mean, like the icon here, for example, that is that thing. But something else that you want to do, I mean, sometimes you'll do it and it'll screw up the whole page. So pretty much what you're gonna do, you're gonna go maximize box, which makes, you know, that thing, and you're gonna make it go false, so you cannot make it bigger. And with that, sorry, with that, you can't really minimize it, so either way, we're gonna put that back to false. And yeah, so now something else we're gonna do is we're gonna do our start position. So when you run the app, what do you want it to do? So we are gonna do center screen, so right around there. So yeah, I'm just gonna format this a little bit. Oh wait, the minimize box is actually putting it into the corner down here. And yeah, that is fairly helpful. So we're going to keep that there. Now on to the programming. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want, you can go like background image, for example. Or background image. I don't know. Or you can go back color. Nah. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to go to toolbox, click that, and go to button. And what you're going to do, you're going to drag it to whatever size you want. I'm going to make it just, no. I'm going to make it actually look fairly nice. This will be our exit button, which is always the easiest one to do. So yeah, it will display its name as button 1. And as you can see those little lines under. That just makes it easier, nicer. So yeah, we're gonna put this, for the actual name of it, you can only use certain ones, like if I go exit, or first of all, it can only be one word, and I don't like want to leave. Oh, that will actually work. Well, usually what you want to do for a command button is you want to go CMD, which means commands, and I will go exit, like that. And yeah. So now down here, we go to text, and you want to write something like exit. I'm going to put this in caps, just no reason really. So that's like your little exit bar. I'm going to make exit a little bit smaller. Yeah, like that. It almost looks a bit like a start bar now. And, okay, and what else we are going to want? We are going to want, display. So it's really, really badly sized, so put it like, actually we're gonna put it the same size as that one. I'm not sure why, but I think I might. Yeah, so now see, that's exactly the same size. We're gonna go up. CMD English, which means it displays in English. I mean, you can have multiple ones on that row that will show it. And text to English. I'm gonna do it in caps, just because I like it. Looks ugly. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so those both fit well. So now, yeah, you have these things. You can run it, start debugging, otherwise known as that. And, oh yeah, see, this is our little thing. You can minimize it, put it back up, but buttons don't really do anything, do they? Now you want those buttons to be pretty much what we're going to do. We are going to double click on one of them. I'm going to do the X one first. And now, if you put an apostrophe, it'll turn green, right? So now you can go display, exits, oh my god, exits the program. That means that will exit. Now we press enter to go to our next line of code and go end. See? And boom. So now, right, you can go start beat, and press exit, boom, it'll exit for us. Now, English, we double click it. This is a little bit more complicated, but still fairly easy. So I will say display hello world. Now we go enter. Now what we do, we go message box, which dot show, and parentheses, quotation mark, hello world. I usually spell that wrong. Quotation mark, parentheses. Now if you can see, these things have turned gray. Well, they didn't anymore. But here, wait. Yeah, if you see, they're like a really slight gray. Yeah, but you can see this is red. That doesn't actually matter. I mean, if it does, it will come up in the error list and say what's wrong. But now we will go start debugging. And okay, we have our hello world. I don't know, you might want to put something in the middle because this looks very bare. And you can go English, hello world, and look at that, just an easy, simple little hello world. You press OK, boom, it's done. You want to exit the program, it exits for you. Now, I mean, the possibilities of this are endless. You can, like, make it say, you can ask it for your name before you enter it, then you enter it and it will go to it, and I mean, you can make it going so it can say hello world, and it will go, like, label box, or you can, like, turn it onto a label. So, for example, I go here, label. I'm not sure how to do this. I might make another tutorial. Yeah, it's really tiny, but I'll change that if I do another tutorial. And you can make it display, I'll lose my voice here, in English, hello world in the label box, and you can edit the font and everything. Like here, let me delete that for a sec. I mean, you know, just make this bigger. If you go font, you can go to like bold font, I don't know, 28, and underline to it, bold oblique, English. I mean, I can even make it bigger. Let me see how big I can make this. English. Well, either way, thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, YouTube viewers. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.